Okay, it is Friday, January 29th, and Tony and I have no appointments today. Well, I just dropped Nick off at school, and I rode past Merrill Federal here, see? And their bank clock said minus 14 degrees. So I pulled over a little bit up the road, and I looked for my camera, and I thought it was in my pocketbook, and I couldn't find it. I get home, and it was getting my stuff out of my pocketbook that I needed, and lo and behold, it was in there. This pocketbook Melanie got me is like a bottomless pit, you know, and it was in there. Anyways, at Christmas time, when I took a walk downtown at nighttime and took some pictures of the lights and the Christmas decorations in the storefronts, I had said, you know, it was like low or single digits, but I wanted to stop, and here, we're going to get out. Our downtown area, and I'm going to walk over. We got the Cosmo over there. You saw that at night, and I wanted to walk over and show you. Right now, it warmed up a degree. Hold on. It warmed up, and it's minus 13. So, when we last were here, it was nighttime. It was Christmas time. There were lots of lights. There's a bank employee going to work bright and early. You get the coffee started. And see, we got Ace Hardware. Years ago, Ace Hardware was a bank. And then we've got Stephen Nicholas. That's an investment place. M&I Bank. Nice location, right next to a bank. Very good. And then you got Merrill Federal, who we've got... we're looking at for our mortgage for that house we're getting. We're so excited about that. Then over there you got the river. You know, it's all frozen up, of course. But there's a dam there, and beyond that, further down is the bridge that's on K that leads into Merrill. So, once again, what do you got? Merrill Federal Savings and Loan Association. Minus 13. Oh, I wish I could have got that minus 14. Stupid thing. We got the owner there of the Cosmo is actually running now, Dennis Cosmo Guy Lurch, for street commissioner. You know, I like Dennis. I've known him for years, and I think I'll vote for him. He lives on the street, so, you know, it would be good to have a street commissioner. Our street commissioner that we have now is retiring. He's not running for re-election. Ralph Sturm, he's been a good guy for a lot of years. So today, bright sunny skies. The sun's beyond there. Bright sunny skies in Merrill today. Very cold. It's always colder when it's not cloudy overnight. When it's a clear sky, you know, that cold just settles in. And it's gorgeous out. I like it. I don't complain. I like all the seasons here. And I especially really appreciate the cold. I do at this point in my life. Helps with all my hot flashes. Okay, people, here's my car. And I'm going to get back in because the fingertips that are out, I've got those mittens that you flip over the top of the mitten and your fingertips are out. Well, that right now is, my fingers are starting to freeze. At this temperature, any exposed skin in 2 minutes will freeze. So you'll see people bundled up today. But it's supposed to warm up to about 10. So that should be good. The sun will warm things up. And goodbye. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. I'm going to go home and post this.